Hello, this is Jared with BMW of Bridgewater, and today I'd like to go over radio presets on a BMW. Now, to make it nice and easy, we're going to start right from scratch. That way you know what we're looking for. So if you go ahead and look at our screen right here, we currently have our icons up, and you see the highlight is currently on media and radio. Now, if you want to do a radio preset, let me show you how to do that. You'd simply click on media radio, and for this example here, we'll start off with satellite radio. You simply click on satellite radio. You scroll to whatever station you may like. For today, we'll use the example of 80s on 8, and you go down to these buttons right here. Now, these are your different presets. So say, for example, you'd want to preset 1 on setting 1. We're going to do that right now. The key is you're going to have to wait to hear the chime. Once you hear that chime, it is now preset to number 1. So just to give you one more example, we're going to then go to, say, 90s on 9. If you want to make that preset number 3, you simply, again, hold it down. And once again, you hear that chime, your station's then preset. And that is how you do it. Thank you so much. And again, if you have any more questions, feel free to contact us here at BMW Bridgewater. We look forward to hearing from you soon.